All right, so here's the project. See if I could get to it. Today's a Friday. All my clients, they love calling me on Fridays. They don't call me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But they love Fridays. Don't understand it. Yep. Big difference. I mean, what's that, an inch versus, I don't know, three inches there? Maybe even a little, 3.5, I don't know. But whatever. Definitely a better size. I may have to use some better I actually have steel stakes too. Just gotta find them. Here's this for my knees. Here's my cutter. Here's the cut open the soil bags, stuff like that. But yeah, I think I'm pretty much ready to go. Just gotta pick up some more junk, a couple little piles, and start the transformation. End of the day, I didn't get much accomplished today. It just didn't seem to happen, but that's just life. What are you gonna do? You can't do everything in one day. Okay, so this is very wobbly, unfortunately. Yeah, I wish I would have had metal, but I just don't. I changed up the design. I went with this here, the extra, to go in place here and here. You know what? I wasn't thinking, because the mulch is going to be too high. It would go over the other ones. They're not tall enough. So that's going to be the design plan. Had to go and get fabric at Home Depot. I forgot I didn't have it. Then the fabric that I did buy is not the heavy duty, if you ask me. It sucks, but it is what it is. I already bought it, already cut it. And then I also ran out of the spikes. I can't get this stupid bend out of this thing to save the life of me. It's really bothering me. But I'm going to try again. And then got to put screening there, and that's where the black rocks will go. This is just tacked on there so it doesn't fall over. Very wobbly. It's not even in yet. So I'm going to go down the line, and then I cut, but I left myself more. You just never know. And hopefully I don't run out. I'm going to try to stretch it more and do the best I can when it comes to getting rid of the wobble. I really hate it. It sucks. And you know what? I think in the sunlight, it's going to bend anyway, or whatever it might be.